Phew. 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 Oh, babe, what are you doing here so early? Oh, I came back so early. Yeah, I still missed you. Oh no, no, don't worry. I'm okay. Just some allergies, you know. Love, of course I have allergies. Oh, like, dust makes business. Yeah, yeah, and I have just been cleaning, you know, around the house. What do you mean? My eyes look okay. It's just allergies. No, they're not glassy. Just kind of red, maybe. I've been rubbing my eyes a little bit. They were getting itchy, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I think I need to go to the bathroom right now. Babe, what are you doing? Go to me. I need a sneeze. Thank you. Why are you touching my forehead? I don't have a fever. I'm not sick. I'm not hot. Like it is hot, like the weather, you know. I let you feel hot too. No, I don't have a cold. It's just allergies. Oh man, I don't know why my voice sounds so messed up. Probably because I've been so sneezy today. That made me so congested. You know, like the dust. Yeah. Yeah. Well, maybe you're right. I could get some rest here. But I'm not sick. Just a little tired from cleaning the house and doing the chores, you know. Oh no. Don't lie down here, darling. Oh well, because you. Excuse me. Yeah. Don't get too close. Yes, dear, you were right. Yeah. Maybe coming down with something. Alright, I am sick. I don't want to get you sick. No, babe, I don't want you to catch it. Thanks. Yeah, your cuddles are the best. But you shouldn't be here next to me. You'll get my cold. Yeah, I'm sorry I was trying to hide it. It's just that I didn't want you to get worried. You work so hard to provide, and I just keep getting sick. I'm sorry, sweetheart. Uh, I love you too, more than anything in this world. I'm sorry, babe. I sneezed almost all over you. Uh, it wasn't on purpose. I'm sorry, darling. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Thank you. Thanks for taking care of me, mi amor. Tú eres mi amor.